everyone, welcome back to Logging 8 channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to make playlists on YouTube. So for that, first of all, open the YouTube application, tap open the app. Now once you have opened the YouTube homepage, you need to tap on the video that you want to save it. So once you have opened the YouTube app, you will be directed to this page over here. So to make a playlist on YouTube, first of all you tap open a video. Once you open the video, you need to tap on the three dotted line just beside it. Tap that. Now there you will have the option to save to playlist. You tap that. Now from here you will be able to add a song to the playlist. And if you do not have any playlist or you have not created single playlist till now, you can tap on plus new playlist. This will give you the option to create a new playlist right now. Type in the title for the playlist, then tap on create. Now you will be able to add that song to that playlist. Tap that and tap on done. Similarly, if you want to add another one to that playlist, you scroll down and open a video that you want to add to that playlist of yours. Again, tap on the three dotted lines, then tap on save to playlist. And from here you choose the playlist that you want to save to. So this is how you can create a new playlist on YouTube. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging 8 channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.